Hello viewers, welcome to Tarot Universe. So today again, since it's afternoon, we are gonna do afternoon thoughts of your person. Okay? So here I'm breaking the deck and here I place it. And we have oh my god, I'm feeling hot suddenly. This person very hot headed, I guess. And I'm forgetting things. Like okay, let's see. Let's see. Also, let's do this card which I want to say for y'all. So here, let's break the cards. So I'll put this here. Please think about your person so I can channel to his or her messages. Please think about your person. Okay. Let's see the person in your mind. What he or she thinks about you. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Why do I get a stalker energy? I'm getting a stalker energy from your person. Yes, a stalker energy. It's not like y'all have been in a relationship. It doesn't look like y'all are in relationship or y'all are together. It seems he sees you from afar. It's more like a crush feeling. It's more like a crush, yes. You have crush on this person and this person also equally does crushes about you. If you want to know, yes. This person equally crushes on you too. He sees you from afar. He's seeing you from afar. He's going through your footprints. He feels bad also when you're not around him. Yes, he feels bad when you're not around him. There's a thing in my phone. He loves your company. Y'all may have gone out together. I can see. बहुत शांत स्वभाव के इंसान है लग रहा है. थोड़ा forgetful हो सकते हैं, थोड़ा hot tempered भी हो सकते हैं, पर इनको गर्मी बहुत आता है. Hmm. Okay, let's see more. I would like to put my camera a little here. Yes, I just put it inside here. I just want a bit more cards. He loves your company, but it's not more like a relationship company. He sees you, he stalks you. He will approach you also maybe for, having fun, doing things together. But yes, I don't see the energy where it's a more like a relationship kind of thing. Maybe he's emotionally unavailable. I have no idea. Though I can see him, he's emotionally unavailable, or maybe he is not in the mood to be in a relationship. Although he likes you, he is interested. But I don't see any anything for relationship here. He does love your company though. You have a crush on him. He also has a crush on you. This is for sure. But he does not interest. He does not have an interest in you as like maybe he will like having maybe a casual situationship or something. Even maybe a relationship. But वो relationship marriage तक जाएगा या नहीं? I don't see this. He like दूर से देख के he's खुश. उनको पास उतना नहीं आना. अगर पास आएंगे तो friends type but उतना नहीं. Okay. So yeah. Let's see more cards here. So what is gonna be the situation? Okay. What is gonna be the situation? Yes, he thinks it's more of a baggage to be in a relationship with you. Why? Please, please tell me, universe, why? Okay, let me clarify with this card. Okay, why is it? Why is it baggage to be with my viewers? Please clarify. We have Four of Cups. This person is more of a lunar. This person is more, you can see, viewers. I'll put this a little up higher. Wait. Mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. So this person is more of a lunar, and he likes to see you from afar. You can see her sitting. So this person likes to see you from afar. He likes the vibe of seeing from afar. He doesn't want to come near you. He's scared of getting hurt again. So he likes to view you from afar. He doesn't want to come too close to you. Okay? He sees any relationship, not only yours. He sees any relationship as a baggage. Universe. Yes. From all the opportunities and from all the people that he has around, he loves you the most and he enjoys your company. Okay, let's clarify here again. He enjoys your company. He obviously doesn't want to give this relationship up. If you tell him, I like you, I have this for you, if you might say someday, he is scared of that day because he doesn't want to lose with what you all have right now. Yes, Queen of Pentacles. So here, let's see bottom of the deck. He likes, again, waiting energy. He likes to see you from afar. He has plans, he has emotions, but it's just not the way that you think he has for you. You too have plans, you have emotions, but he has it for long term, but not in terms of a relationship. It's not that he does not have with you. He doesn't have for anybody right now because it's not, he's scared. He's scared of being vulnerable again. Okay. Although I can see a partnership here. Okay. I don't know why this reading is more of a friends with benefits reading. Okay, I don't know. It can be, see, again, if it doesn't resonate, you can leave. You are free to. But I can see like maybe friends with benefits or casual relationship or maybe situationship that you both have come at a point and agreed into something, and he likes it, he enjoys your company, maybe he would want forever this thing with you also. But the moment you talk about relationship and the moment you talk about, let's take this on a deeper level, he'll pull away. He will pull away. Yes, he will pull away. He likes what it is, he enjoys what you all have, but he will pull away. He likes what he has right now and he doesn't want to give away. But if you show him your emotional vulnerability, then he's gonna pull away. Tower. You can see tower. Yeah. So I'm not taking reverse cards. So the tower. Okay. He's gonna pull away the moment he feels vulnerable and scared of this thing. It's more like a friends with benefits kind of thing that's happening. So from this energy, viewers, I'm sorry to say, but I don't see him coming forward to even put a step ahead. If you are ready to go in this connection where you don't get a name tag, or like you don't get this tag or a traditional way, then it's good for you. Then this is perfectly fine. But because he loves you, he is very caring. You can see him watering the plants. This one, yeah. He's very caring, he's lovable, he's good. But the moment it comes to commitment, traditional forms of marriage, he's not ready for it. He's just not ready for it. Okay, thank you for this. If I want to show you all the cards once. Okay, yes. Thank you for today. Have a wonderful day ahead. Okay. I hope you like my readings. And if you're I don't know, I just want to speak the facts. When I read something, I want to say what the card is saying. I don't want to turn the cards and say something that is wrong. You can see the cards up yourself. ये झूठ बोल के फायदा भी नहीं है. जो आएगा कार्ड में मैं वही बोलूंगी. बट अकॉर्डिंगली अगर मैं बोलूँ तो ये इंसान जो है करेजियस इनफ नहीं है आपके लिए स्टैंड ले सके, आपको खुल के उनका दिल का बात बता सके, या उनका इमोशनल वल्नरेबिलिटी है जो वो मिटा सके या आपके लिए असाइड रख सके. ही डजंट वांट टू. जो आ रहा है वो आते जाए, बट आई विल नॉट डू एन इक्वल गिव एंड टेक इन दिस रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज ये कर चुके हैं पहले और इनको नहीं करना. इनको लगता है कि जो उनके साथ हुआ है वो रिलेशनशिप में वो फिर से होगा. ही इज इमोशनली, physically, mentally drained. He has been drained in the before relationship. Again, I have been reading the cards from his point of view. So again, just don't go that this happened to him. जो भी maybe he has told you about his ex, but just again, don't be in a zone where you just listen to your partner and not his ex. Know both point of views, because every card has a straight side and a reverse side. So again, listen to your intuitions. It is true. It is clearly true. Listen to your intuitions. Okay? He basically he wants, again, मैं आपको बोलना नहीं चाहती, आपको देख, but मेरा काम है बोलना. He will, the moment he gets better than you guys, he is in an open relationship with you. The moment he gets, और ये ना इन्होंने इतना क्लैरिटी से आपको बोल दिया है कि देखो, इतना क्लैरिटी से बोला है कि my relationship has been bad, मेरा एक्स के साथ आई एम नॉट इमोशनली अवेलेबल, ऐसे ऐसे बोल के बोला है आपको. तो आप यू आर लाइक ओके फाइन, कोई बात नहीं, आई एम देयर फॉर यू, आई एम सपोर्टिव फॉर यू. Okay, and the moment he gets a person better than you, he's gonna go. He's not gonna say that this person has given me this much, this person has given me this much, that much. बोल के ये रहने वाले नहीं है आपके साथ. आपके साथ क्या, किसी के साथ भी नहीं रहने वाले. The moment he is like done with you, या आपसे कोई better इनको मिल गया, या आपसे कोई attractive इनको दिखा, वो चले जाएंगे. The grass is greener on the other side syndrome होता है ना, उनको वैसा लगता है. तो he will again go to somebody. Again, one day that somebody will not be hotter, or he'll find somebody hotter than that somebody, who he will keep on jumping and bouncing. Okay, so I hope you all like my reading. I just want to see you. I'm not taking out the guidance card because guidance I am telling you, listen to your intuitions. I can see here. आपको भी बहुत बार intuition मिला होगा ये person के लिए, but you are not listening to it because it feels right. Sometimes what feels right is also wrong. Please understand. If he's not giving you tact, if he's not standing up for you, if he's not taking actions for you, word doesn't count. Word doesn't count in this world. If he's not taking actions for you, please get up and leave. Just pack your bags and leave. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Just pack your bags and leave. I hope I'm making sense. Okay?